Alright guys, so I have the driver's side of the dash done now, and I'm really not happy with the way the right side of the instrument cluster turned out, because it looks kind of like it's all dented in. So I'm going to use some foam to fill that in and bring it out to the edge, pretty much where this thing right here meets. I'm not sure yet what I'm going to do with the center part of the dash, because really I'd like to be able to just design this thing without the center console in mind at all, and just redo the center console. But I'm thinking that I'll maybe make it so it can be adapted to work with the center console too. So, and then I just need to trim my edges here along the side for this and weld it in. And it's not going to have that shape to it. It's probably going to fall somewhere actually inside the inside part of this center console. And then hopefully it'll have just an overall kind of a smooth curve to it. I might kind of keep with the original styling, and at the very, very bottom of it do a part with I don't know, kind of a kink in it, so that it looks kind of like the original center console. But that's pretty much it. Maybe you guys can tell me what you think and see if you have any ideas.